The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Webster County, western Douglas County, Christian County, northeastern Stone County, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Highlandville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ozark, Ava, Seymour, Sparta, Highlandville, Spokane, Woolfield, Elkhead, Chestnut Ridge, Bruner, Selmore, Keltner, Christian Center, Ponce de Leon, Garrison, Rome, Chadwick, Good Hope, Dogwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Douglas, Stone and Webster,